Okay, great. What we're going to do is that we are going to look at a couple of use cases for the BFSI, banking and financial. And the first use case is that how quickly we can create a particular user. So I think instead of this, let me just hop onto the experience itself. So as you see over here is that we have, a bank which is called PL, Passwordless Financial Bank, and I have two options of logging in and creating a user. So logging in is essentially where you're logging in, as a user, and there is no password or PIN over here. So you're going to use passwordless approach here. And then the second one is create a user. So let me come in and create a user account. So I'll just call myself as Robot Vikram, and let me call myself Robot Vikram, and I'm just picking a name, so it's there. And I have my email which is being given. So this could be anything, and these are essentially used for identifying the user for any additional security or messaging. So I have two options over here. Same device. If I'm coming from a device which has, I would say, biometrics facility available, like a Windows Hello or Mac, with Touch ID, or iPad, you can use that, or even your phone, Android or iOS, Huawei, anything. And the other one is your QR code. So this is beautiful because this one will essentially be using the QR code, scanning on your phone, and then taking it ahead. So if you have somebody who's moving around devices, you will be taking it ahead. So what I'll do is that I'll very quickly show you my phone screen, and on that phone screen, I'm gonna scan this particular code. So that's the user experience. It can work for an elderly or a young person. Doesn't matter because it's as simple as you scanning. So I'm coming over here, scanning the code. It's coming over here, and I am going and visiting. Now what it would do is essentially registering me. So from a user point of view, what they're doing is that they're just scanning the QR code, and then after that they're looking where my request is coming from, and then I'm going ahead and saying approve. Now at this point is where we are registering ourselves. So it's as simple as me touching it and saying going ahead. So after I've done that, what has happened is, I think I have done this. My phone is registered, as you would see, and I am also successfully registered on my banking portal. So now let's try to log in. So I'm over here. So what I'll do is I'll kill this app. Yeah, let's kill everything on my phone. Yeah, and I'm coming over here. That's the email ID I used. So that could be any identifier that you would like. So we are taking email as the identifier, and I'm saying passwordless, appless, passwordless way of doing it. Coming over here, it's gonna again ask me to scan, and as you would see, sorry, yeah, it's a QR code. Now that could be a message which is being given. It could be anything that you want, a way of conveying the user. So it could be a magic number. It could be, a link. It could be, you making a push onto the device. So I'm coming over here. So it's saying you're logging in, and I'm saying yes, I am. So now in this case, I'm already registered, and beautifully, I have authenticated myself, and I have gone inside. So as you would see over here, this is my dashboard after the login. I have already logged in. So I'll just make a quick, simple transaction. Okay, so I'm just saying, okay, to bot, nickname bot screen, so it's account number, confirm account number. So let's just copy this, then select the bank. So it could be, anything. So this could be a local payment, international payment, whatever it is. And then I'll just say mobile number, and then I'll say amount as $100. I'll say next. So again, same options pop up. I'll say QR code, and as you would see, again, as simple as this, I'm just scanning my QR code. Now this could be for anything. So it could be essentially, me doing a card not present transaction, me doing authorization or increasing the limit, anything like that. And then I come over here, just click on it, and then the same experience happens. So if you really look at it, there's no this thing. So over here, you could see that you also see the amount and whom you're paying and where you're paying from. So now you come in and you say, yes, that's that's me. I confirm and go ahead. So if you leave your phone anywhere, if somebody else picks it up, doesn't matter. So now as you see that the money is already transferred to that particular person. Yeah. So a very simple, beautiful experience which has happened over here for this particular user. So now let's take another scenario where you have forgotten your password, and it's been a long while and you don't remember it. So over here, what we have is we have a chat bot where you're coming in and you're taking it ahead. So let me do one thing. Let me close this browser, start as a new browser, and take it ahead from here. So okay, I'll just come over here. I'm coming in as a PL Finance. As you could see, this is another domain, and it works. So if you have domain for corporate, retail, anything like that, you will be able to do it. So I'm coming over here. This is where my chatbot is. So I'm coming. Yeah. Now you could see over here. So let's just make it in the center. Yeah. Now it's saying, okay, choose what you want. So I'm saying, okay, fine. I've forgotten my password. I need it. It could be dormant account, account reset, anything like that. So do you want to recover your account? And answer it yes. Then I'm getting a message, please enter your valid email ID. So if somebody enters, let's say, a wrong email ID, okay, Vikram, because this is not registered, so then it would say not registered. That means it's not in the system. Thanks for got this thing. Please enter the registered email ID only. So this is the one that I have registered. So I'm going in and picking up my. So now an email has already been shot to me. So it's saying that, hey, there's an email which has been sent to you, and now you need to check that. So let's quickly check the mails. Okay, as you could see that I have received an email for my password reset. It could be on the mobile phone or as a text message or any way. Then I will come and click on it. So as you would see that it will actually take me to the domain of the bank, and then over there I can actually choose what I want. So obviously over here I can pick whether I want to go through the process of it again or not. So again, the whole idea over here is that if it's I'm doing it for this device, then I just touch over here, and then as you could see that it is being password is being reset. So in this whole experience, what you saw just now, from login to your to your creating account as well as for your chatbot, everything is done seamlessly without any problem, right? Without actually having any password and using the person's phone as a way of biometrics. Yeah. Thank you so much, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.